What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys all the bridges that you guys can use and basically all the bridges that you'll ever need. Anyways, guys, let's go and get into this video. This is how you can bridge to multiple chains and, I don't know, play around in DeFi and have some fun. So the first bridge, I'm sure you guys are all about Terra. Well, if you guys are watching this channel, I'm a massive Terra bull. You can try the Terra bridge. This is good for Ethereum, Terra, BSC, and Harmony 1. So this is bridge.terra.money. It's pretty self-explanatory how this works. To bridge your money into Terra, it basically costs nothing. And to move it out, that's where you're going to start paying some fees. So that's something to keep in mind as well. Take a look at the Terra bridge. Next is Allbridge. As you can see, Allbridge, this allows you to transfer many different assets from Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche, Huobi, CELO, and eventually Terra. Guys, I love CELO, but make sure when you're using this bridge that you select the right coins that are going to be used. Like, for example, right now, especially with all the congestion going on right now over on Fantom, make sure you check the coins before you start to bring them over. For example, look at Avalanche. You only have these two choices. You don't even have, well, actually, you could do CyberFi. Well, actually, no, I'm sorry, you can't. Assets not supported. So it's only these top two assets, and then these other assets are going to be ones that are on, well, other chains that aren't Avalanche. So check out Allbridge. You got many different bridges or many different chains that you can use: Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, Solana, as you can see. So Allbridge is one. You also got the Terra bridge for those four. And if you guys are trying to get over to Secret Network has a bridge as well. This is how you get onto Secret Network. This is not going to get you on Cosmos. So there is not a direct bridge to Cosmos yet. It will be coming soon. There is a bridge to Sif Chain. So you can actually bridge your funds from Ethereum onto Sif Chain, but it is not for US users. So that is something to keep in mind. So you can bridge from Ethereum to Sif Chain, and you can take Sif Chain to Cosmos wherever you want. So that's going to basically be a way you can transact from Ethereum. They're going to be bringing, well, also Monero as well to bring on Secret Network. They're going to be enabling IBC for Secret Network as well as IBC on Terra. So Terra is going to be interoperable with everything Cosmos. Something to keep in mind as well. And now if you're wanting to degen it up on Harmony 1, you can even do it here on the Harmony bridge. It's only Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Harmony. I prefer just using the Terra bridge, but hey, it's up to you what you want to use. It just depends on where you're coming from too. I mean, if you're on Terra, you have to use this. But if you're on Binance Smart Chain, you can use this or the Harmony 1 bridge. Keep in mind, guys, a quick tip is when you are transacting with these coins, make sure the coin that you're getting on the other end has good liquidity. Because if you get over there and you're like, what the snap, the liquidity stinks, you can be trading your stable coin at like 10-15% slippage. That's just a quick tip. I'm going to stop doing all the quick tips at the end. That way you guys watch through the whole video and get some quick tips. Next is Pollinate. Pollinate's good for when all the bridges are filled up. I like Pollinate. This used to be my OG bridge, and this kind of like tells you like all the different tokens that are going on and ones that you can use. Make sure you guys are aware of the transaction fees or the bridge fees on these. This one is a 0.1% fee. So it's relatively inexpensive compared to Evo DeFi, and you get a wider selection of coins. You actually get 3 different ones, whereas on Evo DeFi, you literally get one. It's USDC, and well, it's 0.5%. That is utter rapage. It's nuts and ham. It's not good. So something to keep in mind. So Pollinate, xpollinate.io. I'll leave links in the description so you guys can get all these bridges. Next is the Seller bridge. Seller is a lot of fun. I actually like this bridge. I remember when the total transaction volume was only like 20 million, and it was still kind of like, man, what is this? And there was only like 5 chains on it. Now there's nuts and ham. But you can use this for Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Arbitrum, Fantom, XDAI, all these chains. It's crazy. I love it. So take a look at this. It even has Optimism and Arbitrum, so you don't even have to use Hop protocol. Hop protocol is another bridge as well, but I mean, why not? Just use Seller Network. It has it all. So something to keep in mind as well. Be aware of the fees before you're making the swap and make sure the liquidity is there. So right now you can swap from Fantom to Polygon like nuts and ham. And if you want to switch from Polygon to Fantom, well, let's see if we got some liquidity. And no, there's not enough liquidity. Good times. Yeah, so always make sure there's liquidity over there. Next is the Spooky Swap bridge. I love the Spooky Swap bridge because now it is multi-chain, like more than just Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, and Fantom. Now they added Polygon, they added Arbitrum, they added Ethereum. Well, obviously Ethereum was already on there. Avalanche. So they got multiple chains now. And this one costs nothing to get onto Fantom. Or actually, it's 90 cents. So you can transfer $1 million and it only costs you 90 cents. But be aware, you want to keep in mind when you're transferring the funds, it is still smart contract risk. So don't send what you're not afraid to lose. And sometimes funds can get stuck on the bridge if someone's like withdrawing coins or depositing coins, or it's waiting on liquidity. So just be careful when you're using something like that. And you can select different tokens. So there's a list of a bunch of different tokens so you can kind of play around with it. Anyways, guys, and the back end on this is AnySwap, just so you guys know. Let's go ahead and leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 17, verses 5. Whoever mocks the poor shows contempt for their maker. Whoever gloats over disaster will not go unpunished. Yeah, that's so true, man. If like your friend gets wrecked or someone's in I guess you can say, a pickle, yeah, don't be like, oh, bro, you shouldn't have done that, and like rub it in their face. Just be like, hey, how can I help you? Because I mean, you could be in that same position too. So, y'all guys can also catch me on tweeters. It's at rent a home fast, like literally at rent a home fast.